Hey, I've got good news for you, ladies. The ketogenic diet might be extra good for women. I'm Thomas DeLauer with Cali'flour Foods, and there's some interesting science that's out there nowadays with how women metabolize fats. You see, we know that the ketogenic diet's great for weight loss for men and women. We know that it has tremendous properties. We know that it can provide a great fuel. We know that it has hormone-like properties. It's powerful stuff. But now we're starting to see, by looking at some of the exercise evidence, that women thrive on fats. You see, women seem to oxidize fats better. And this is coming straight from scientific literature. Okay, women utilize lipids more for fuel than men, which means that women generally prioritize using fats for fuel quicker than men. Why is this? Well, because if you look at it from a potential evolutionary standpoint, not even that long ago, women were probably walking and going long distances, carrying moderately heavy loads to move village to village or to move the family, right? Now, men would be out maybe hunting or doing more quick anaerobic sprints that would use carbohydrates for fuel, whereas women were doing more slow burning activities that would burn fat. So what that means is that women over time have sort of adapted to being able to utilize fats better. Now, it doesn't take long for this to happen because you think about it, it only takes 10 to 12 weeks for someone to get used to ketosis and their body to thrive on it. So it doesn't take much exaggeration to think about how this can happen through a couple generations. So women burn fat really, really well. They also burn carbs less, which means that women wouldn't do as well with a lot of carbs because they don't oxidize as much carbs. They use more in the way of fats. This is so cool because so many women out there are afraid to do the ketogenic diet. They don't think that they can because they hear that it's bad for the reproductive system, or it's bad for their hormones, or it's bad for this, bad for that. The fact is, their body thrives on it more so than men. Not to say that men can't do the keto diet. It's great for men too. Huge properties there. But with women, there's no more judgment. This could be really big in the way of breakthroughs, right? So women also preserve muscle mass more. Does it get any better? That means if you do intermittent fasting or anything like that, you have less likelihood of wasting muscle because your body is adapted to using fats quicker. So basically it looks like this. You start to run out of fuel, and normally your body would be like, uh-oh, no fuel, throw in the muscle. But the female body is so adapted to using fats naturally that it says, oh, no worries, we're running out of fuel. Here, you have a little extra body fat to burn. All good, right? And it's all because the female body is designed to carry a baby no matter what the situation. At all costs, keep the woman alive and keep the woman healthy. It makes perfect sense when you think about it. So I wanted to share some good news. And honestly, the keto diet, as you know, doesn't have to be boring. It doesn't have to be a diet at all. Have your pizza, have your cauliflower crust pizza, and enjoy something that tastes good all the time. Pack your kid's lunchbox with a grilled cheese made on a cauliflower crust. It's a lifestyle, it's not a diet. Anyhow, I could go on and on, but I just wanted to share this information. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.